Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split screen in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you just have to go for this new project and then you have to of course select two videos or photos for this if you want to do a split screen. Now just simply go for the second video and scroll it to the right side at the bottom and simply tap on this overlay and it will then go over and put it below the video in the timeline, but in fact it's above it in the video preview. Then place your finger on it and hold it so you can then adjust it underneath the other one like this. And now again select the second video and you have to select the option here, adjust. So now what you can do is you can select your video and you can move your video to this, to like this here, as you can see, like this, and then here. And now as you can see, our videos are adjusted. You can adjust it according to your wish. And now if you play your video, your both videos will play like this. What else you can do is you can go for the mask option here, and here you have to select this horizontal. And now as you can see, you can place your finger on it and place it wherever you want. If you place it two fingers, and you can rotate it like this here. So that's how you can apply split screen on CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.